All right, guys, I'm going to do some tags here and be ready to go. Anybody that owes, please get the payments in. Let's get the payments in. And the eBayers that did not join, this will be on YouTube here as soon as we're done. Still going to try to tag you. Looks like a lot of the eBayers didn't join, which is fine. It'll be on YouTube here right quick. Anybody that has not paid yet, let's get these payments in. All right, all tags are in. Everybody that's here in my group are here. Here's your team list. 9 box. That's what I had left from a case. It's the paid and everything's not updated. There's your teams. And we'll break here in about 30 seconds. All right, box 1. Nine box XR football. And you guys jumping in for the Bowman Chrome. FedEx got me again. Gave me the message, no, nobody home, even though I was home all day. So Bowman Chrome will be tomorrow. $900 to be random off. That's a big one. get some plastics open up here. Colts, Paris Campbell, 32-249. Indianapolis is Voiles. Congrats. And also for the Colts, Darius Leonard, 31-99. Back-to-back hits, Voiles. Congrats. Triple patch. For the Patriots, Stidman, Hardy, and Sonny Michel. Get the right plastic out for that. Should be a 100 point. There we go. New England Patriots is Vafidis. Congrats to 99. And base rookie Montez Sweat. All rookies always get penny sleeved at least. DJ Moore, Marlon Mack base. Base rookie Jonah Williams for the Bungles. Big boy auto coming after this. 30-149. Extreme rookies. Josh Jacobs. Raiders, Kreitz. Big boy for the Redskins. Triple relic autograph. Dwayne Haskins. 1/20. One of 20. Nice hit, Redskins. Mr. Baskin. Stanley Morgan Jr. base, or number 2/199, and a 290 or 199 also. Carson Wentz. So one auto this box with the 900 point. That will be random off on the page. What up, Jesse? How we doing, brother? Dude, Baskin's having a hell of a day. Baskin got that RJ Barrett 101 earlier, and I just pulled a Haskin at 20. Baskin's having a good day. All right, box 2. Base, Rivers and Deshaun Watson. Rookie, Daniel Jones. Nice. This kid's making a believer out of me. Daniel Jones, rookie. Gilded Greats, Earl Campbell to 99. Houston Texans. Gubin. Congrats. We have a redemption here. It's coming up real quick. Travis Fulgham for $1.99 for the Lions. Travis Fulgham. And Odell Beckham Jr. to $249. $249 for the Clowns. Mr. Stephen. And our redemption is A.J. Brown. Rookie triple swatch autographs orange. I have to look that up to see. Orange might be numbered to 5. Do a quick look up on it. Always want to make sure we got the right stuff. See what you guys get. XR football. We're looking at a rookie triple swatch. Rookie triple swatch autographs. Card number 211. A.J. Brown, number to 30. Tennessee Titans. That is number 230. Congrats for Tennessee Titans. That belongs to Woods. All right, pack 2, box 2. Your rookie is Emmanuel Hall, from Chicago. Base, Fournette, Richard Sherman. That's an orange. That was an orange. Orange is number, 25 or less. Yeah, Baskin, you hit so far Haskins to 25 or to 20. 1 of 20. Continue your run for today. Number 249. Darnell Savage Jr. And gold, number to 90. I'm sorry, 6 of 10. It was upside down. 6 of 10 for the Jags. Leonard Fournette. Jacksonville is Mr. Hanson. All right. Damian Harris. Nice. 9 of 10. New England. Mr. Vafrades. So many different size plastics in this break. Damien Harris, congrats. And the mem, Miles Sanders, Mr. Bozarth. Philadelphia, 53 of 149. Got like 5 different sizes of plastics here. So far, good break. Hot case, he says. Depends what team you have. Box 3. All right, guys, good luck. Rookie, Hunter Renfrow for the Raiders. 2 base, DJ Moore and Leighton Vander Esch. 2 serial numbered R to 199. Quadre Allison for the Falcons. Congrats, Mr. Harris. Mike Evans to 249. Tampa Bay Bucks. Congrats. Juan Thornhill. Auto to 49. And yet again, another size plastic. These 55 points out here. Mr. Thornhill for the Kansas City Chiefs. That would be Tank. And a relic is Taquan Smith to 99. That will be the New Orleans Saints, Mr. Gubin. Can't believe how many different size plastics there are in this. Got my trays open for everything. Rookie, Roxay Sin for the Colts. Your base is Carr and Travis Kelce. Marcus Mariota to 199 for the Titans. Congrats. And Oakland Raiders, Jonathan Abram to 249. Oakland Raiders, Mr. Kreitz. Tennessee Titans was Mr. Woods. Triple autograph, Isabella, 199. Arizona Cardinals, Mr. Vafrades. Mr. Vafrades and Michael Thomas X-Fractor to 149 for the Saints. All right, box 4 of 9. Rookie Chris Lindstrom, Falcons. 2 base, DJ Moore and Melvin Gordon. 2 serial numbered are as follows. 299, Calvin Drake for the Dolphins. Miami, Alpaca. Congrats. And New York Giants, DeAndre Baker to 99. G-Men, Mr. Frederick. Hunter Renfrow, Relic Auto to 99. Oakland Raiders, Mr. Kreitz. To 99. And Extreme Rookies, Drew Luck. 2 of 10. Nice hit for the Broncos. Two of 10 for the Bronx. Nice hit, Mr. Wesley. There's my Redskins on the backside. Mr. Terry McLaren. It's a big boy rookie there. He's having a nice year. Once him and Haskins get going, they'll be all right. Kenyon Drake and Adam Thielen. Serial numbered Andrew Luck to 199 for the Colts. And rookie Ryan Finley to 199. For the Mongols, Mr. Kreitz. Autograph, Alec Barnes, 199 for the Tennessee Titans. Tennessee is Mr. Woods. And triple relic to 99, Darius Slayton. I watched him last night, man. I like this kid. Struggled a little bit, but I think he'll be all right. Him and Daniel Jones will be all right. Even though I'm a Redskins fan. Darius Slayton. Who do you have? You have Arizona. You got 2 teams and New England. Yep, Arizona and New England. Andre, that's who you have. Arizona and New England. There's a mixer posted on Cooch 44 right now, football. 1 certified, 1 elements, 1 absolute, and 1 origins. PYT. anybody's interested. Rookie, Devin White, Tampa Bay. Uh-oh, we got a big boy coming. Prescott and Edmonds for Buffalo. 249 for Hotlanta, Matty Ice. Denver Broncos, Mr. Wesley, 1 of 1. Bradley Chubb, 101 printing plate. Congrats. Got more points. You got a random. This one's 600. So we got 900 and 600. We got a random, and then Drew Luck. XL Materials. Another Denver Bronco hit. Wesley, nice break so far. Yeah, he had a Damian Harris and what was it? Arizona? Isabella for Arizona. Harrison Isabella. Rookie, Nick Bosa. San Francisco. Nice rookie. 2 base. Sam Darnold and Fletcher Cox. Tom Brady, serial number 299 for the Patriots. Another hit for you, Andre. And Drew Luck to 249. And Andre, I'll be calling your name again here real quick. Drew Luck. Jared Stidman, triple relic auto. Andre and the Patriots. This one's numbered 199. And Hall of Fame. Greats to 149 for the Rams. Marshall Faulk. Congrats. All right, be right back. All right, box 5. Sorry, guys, I live out here in the country, and we've seen some coyotes around here the last couple days. I got a 9-month-old puppy that likes to roam. It's going good. Real good for you, Mr. Wesley. Rookie, Devin Bush the second. 2 base. Lattimore and foils. This is yours, Mr. Wesley. 101, Bradley Chubb. To 249, Aaron Jones had a monster. He's having a monster year, but had a great game the other day. And J.J. Arcega-Whiteside, Mr. Bozarth, 199 rookie. Extreme Rookies, Easton Stick should be playing baseball. With a name like that. San Diego Chargers, 149. And the autograph is for the Baltimore Ravens, Mr. Burns, Cody Burns, Miles Boykin, Relic Auto. Miles Boykin to 199 for Cody Burns. Congrats. Black and yellow. What, Steelers? Get out of here. I should, Mark? Thanks, brother. I know you kind of showed me before what I was getting. I appreciate it. You guys don't have to do that. Mr. Becerra, Jesse, are you anywhere next to all these fires that are going off again out in California? I don't think you are, but if I remember where you lived. Juan Thornhill, rookie, Kansas City Chiefs. I didn't think you were buying, but Joey Bosa and Josh Rosen, base. Russell Wilson, 199, Seattle. Mr. Grodd, congrats. Another redemption coming up after Jordan Scarlett to 249, Carolina Panthers. There is a football mixer posted, guys. Let's fill it. Let's try to do it. Oh, you are by the fires? Holy shit. I guess it is Southern that's getting it. Damian Harris, big patch. 7 of 25. Andre hits again. Wrong size. Wrong size. 45 different sizes here. Damian Harris, nice patch. 4-color patch to boot. San Diego, New England. What the hell. And the redemption is Ed Reed, Ray Lewis, Rod Woodson. Triple autograph swatches gold. Wow. Triple swatch autograph gold, number 10. Let me look that up. That sounds like a big hit, though. Next, triple autograph swatches. Here we go. Numbered to 10 for gold or 3. Green to 5 or 2. And then I got 101s. Number 10, all Ravens. Beautiful hit for the Baltimore Ravens. I wanted to double check because I saw Rod Woodson's name on there. But that is listed as all Ravens. Baltimore Ravens. Who has Baltimore? Mr. Cody Burns. Number to 10. Nice. Ed Reed, Ray Lewis, Rod Woodson. Number to 10. Beautiful hit. Well, it says gold is number to 10 or 3. And then it shows, actually says number to 5. That's green. Not sure what it's going to be number 2. He was a Steeler. I don't remember him playing for the Ravens, to be honest with you. So, and it's not like they're all Miami boys, because Rod Woodson, I can't remember when he went to college, but Reed and Ray Lewis for Hurricanes. I'm not sure. It's listed as the Ravens, though. Nice hit regardless. Josh Allen, not the quarterback. Rookie for the Jags. 2 base, Zeke. Myles Garrett, kid's tough. 2 serial number, David Montgomery, rookie to 249 for the Bears. Congrats, Bears. These kind of breaks that drive me nuts, man. I just fire through the plastic. All different sizes. Fletcher Cox to 249, Philadelphia, Mr. Bozarth. Congrats. Oh, he did end his career at Baltimore? See, I don't remember him playing in Baltimore. I did not remember that. Marquise Brown having a nice year. 10 of 10 for the Ravens. Nice hit. Nice hit for the Ravens, Mr. Burns. That's what he's looking for. Oklahoma boy. Marquise Brown. Nice hit for the Cowgirls. Dallas, Mr. Kreitz. Give us low numbered. Ready? There we go. 25 of 25. Tony Pollard. One of the 15 different sizes. Tony Pollard. Nice hit, Matty. It's a nice logo. I don't like the Cowgirls, but I like them patches. 25 of 25. Looky. Byron Murphy, rookie for the Arizona Cardinals. 2 base, Clay Matthews and Ashton Jeffrey. Serial number to 99, Patrick Peterson, Arizona. And Ryan Finley again. This one's to 99, 48 of 99. Mr. Kreitz with the Bungles. Congrats. N'Keal Harris, triple relic. Andre again. This one's numbered to 99, 59 and 99. And the autograph is L.J. Collier for the Sea Chickens to 199. Mr. Grod. Congrats. All right, 2 boxes to go. Is that number to 3? I know I see a lot of let me see here. It says gold, right? It says gold. It says gold is numbered to 10 or 3. So you could, I mean, I'm not disagreeing, Robbie. So a Ravens triple is to number 3. That makes it even better. That'll be a sweet card. Cannot find us forever, Mr. Bruce. Are you in this break? Are you under a AKA name? Because I don't have a Mr. Bruce in this break. Clayton Thorson for Northwestern Eagles. Keenan Allen and Julian Edelman base. Serial numbered Adam Thielen. 199. I'm glad you made it though, bro. David Montgomery, rookie to 199. Andre, you were killing it with New England. It's amazing that team didn't sell him on page. New England always goes. 199, David Montgomery. Oh, you're flying cow. Okay. Yeah, you're in this for sure. Sorry it took so long, bro. Darius Slayton, 7 of 99. The G-Men. Mr. Frederick. Man, these plastics are getting bad, man. Always stuff in them. Always stuff in them. 7 of 99, Darius Slayton. And autograph for New England Patriots. Nice. 2 of 25, N'Keal Harry. That's a beautiful, wrong size, beautiful relic. I like those. There's stitches in them. N'Keal Harry, 2 of 25, New England again. New England's been killing this break. Yeah. All right, we got a flying cow, Michael Bruce. We got a milkman, Jesse Becerra. We got Wesley, who's supposedly lands planes. It is a Pats case. Robert, I'm not sure what you do. Let me go back to the list here. Chambers takes pictures of people. Jason Angel, don't know what he does. Andre, don't know, but he hits Patriots all day. Michael Baskin has monster days. Pulled an R.G. Barrett 101 earlier. You're right. He was a monster at Arizona State. I do remember him at Arizona State. More college than NFL. N'Keal Harry. Hey, there you go. Two base. Mahomes and Julio. Derwin James from Florida State. My Canes are on tonight against Virginia. 249, Derwin James. I don't know if anybody's a gambling man, but how's Miami of Florida a favorite against a ranked team? They barely beat Central Michigan. There's a good kid. 249 for the Lions. TJ Hawkinson. And put the auto down. Pick up Darius Slayton, triple. Another hit for the G-Men, Mr. Frederick. Any help, guys, on the other breaks posted on page? Got a couple mixers in that. Trying to keep breaking. This is to 99. 99 and 99. Last one. That's an eBay 101. And the autograph is Jordan Scarlett. 199. 169 and 199. Carolina Panthers. Carolina is Mr. Towner. All right, guys. One box left. First two boxes were monsters. All right, guys, here we go. Jalen Hurd, San Francisco rookie. eBay 101's cracked me up, man. Two base. Roethlisberger and Jamal Adams. Serial numbered Russell Wilson. 199. Dude, N'Keal Harry is coming up again. This guy has killed this break. N'Keal Harry to 199. Seems like we called his name a lot. Ed Reed, 149 for the Ravens. From the U, my U. 133, 149. And an autograph for the Minnesota Vikings, Mr. Smith. Congrats on the Irv Smith. 10 of 49. Irv Smith Jr. Congrats. All right, let's see if we can pull a monster at the end. Maddie Christ just joined. Last pack. Joanne Williams, New England. Rookie. 2 base, Calvin Ridley and Chris Jones. Chris Jones from around here, Bowling Green. I think that's a kid that's from around here. I think he went to Bowling Green, which is just down the road from me. DJ Moore, number to 249. DJ Moore. Joanne Williams again. Rookie. 102 to 249. Oh, we're going to end with a little black and gold, but here's an Irv Smith to 149 first. And then Mr. Becerra will finally get a hit. $129, $149, Irv Smith. And last hit out of the box. Nice. 11 of 49. These are sweet. I'd be interested in a Haskins of this, being a Redskins fan, or a Trey McCullen. 11 of 49. That's sweet. Keep trying to put these in 100 points. They're not. They're 120s. Do a quick recap for everybody. That's it. We got base up here. We got, I always sleeve rookies, at least sleeve them. Big ones I top load. Got all these serial number. I'm not going to go through individually, but they're all top loaded already, ready to go. Some more top loaded. There's some 10s in there. There's a Drew Lock to 10. Some 249s, a whole bunch of everything. All top loaded, ready to go. Some of the bigger rookies, Bosa, McLaren, Daniel Jones, relics to 149, Irv Smith, Slayton to 99, Harris to 25, Luck to 149, Slayton again to 99, Taquan Smith to 99, Miles Sanders to 149, a triple for the Pats. Harry Stidman and Michelle to 99. All right, on to the autos. To 49, Deontay Johnson, Pittsburgh. Irv Smith, Minnesota to 49. Scarlett to 199. N'Keal Harry to 25. To 3, Ed Reed, Ray Lewis, Rob Woodson for the Ravens. Collier, 199, Seattle. Sorry, missed this one. N'Keal Harry, 99, relic. Tony Pollard for the Cowgirls to 25. Miles Boykin to 199 for the Ravens. Jarrett Stidman to 199 for the Pats. Alex Barnes to 199 for the Titans. /99, Hunter Renfroe. Isabella /199, Arizona. And /49, Thornhill for the Chiefs. A couple more here for the Patriots. Damian Harris, 9/10. That's his autograph, really. Dwayne Haskins, the big boy, 2/10. I'm sorry, 1/20. Looked at it backwards. 1/20. Titans, A.J. Brown, orange. What did we say that was out of? Rookie autograph triple. Let's double check that one right quick. Swatches. Rookie swatch autos. Rookie autographs. It's a triple swatch. Let's look up triple swatch. Rookie triple swatch. I don't see it. I see rookie swatch autographs. Card number 211. I think we already looked this up, maybe. Autograph swatches, 211. Rookie excellence, rookie XL swatches, triple autographs. Not sure what that is. I'm not finding it, but that's for Titans. And a 101. Bradley Chubb. Denver. I have Mr. Riddle random these off. First place in random wins 900. Second place wins 600. Yeah, it's a lazy auto. Oh, you're in Akron, brother? Yeah, I'm not far from you. Actually, my brother-in-law's brother owns a tattoo shop in Akron. He owns a tattoo shop in Akron. All right, guys, that's, I guess, it for the night. I posted a couple of breaks, but it didn't fill. I mean, they're sitting here. We got Absolute. We got Elements. We got Origins. Got all kinds of stuff here. We got Certified. Got all kinds of mixers to put up. But I appreciate everybody. I'll see you later. I'm going to get this up on YouTube, and have a good night.